What's up, Mopar fam? I hope everybody out there is having a fantastic time. And today's video, I wanted to talk about a brand new product that has come out, and that is the War pedal. If you guys haven't heard or seen this new product yet, this is the new pedal controller that will allow you to adjust your pedal sensitivity for all of your throttle-by-wire cars and trucks. As some of you guys know, most of these cars today has a terrible throttle response. As in, you hit the gas pedal and then this device takes care of all that, takes care of all your needs, wakes your car or truck up tremendously. It has multiple functions and different modes and different settings, and you can fully adjust each setting to the perfect adjustment that fits you. So let's get this thing opened up. So they send it in a nice little box. And the first thing I want to say that I do like about this product already is it's very compact. It's not very big. It's a very small device that you can pretty much mount anywhere on your dash or in your car, anywhere. You could hide it, you could fit it definitely somewhere. You will easily find a spot to be able to mount this. So this is the device. LCD screen, has 3 buttons on it, and it has a cord that comes off of it as well. Now, depending on your vehicle or your application will determine what wire harness or plug connector that you will receive with your device. So in this case, I actually received this one to fit my wife's Dodge Durango. We have a 2015 Dodge Durango with the 6-cylinder engine, and I will tell you, I love that Durango. It is a very nice vehicle, but the throttle response is tremendously terrible. So here is the throttle pedal wiring harness. Nothing crazy. And the best thing about this device, guys, is it is literally plug and play. No wiring, no cutting wires, none of that mess. It literally plugs and plays right into the controller and right into your throttle pedal on your car or truck. Super easy install. Less than 20 minutes. Very simple. Plug and play. So you receive the wiring harness, you receive the controller. They send you a couple of mounting options. There's a 3M plate here that you can mount. They give you a piece of 3M tape that you can stick onto the controller and then 3M tape it somewhere on the dash or anywhere in your vehicle. They also send you a couple of zip ties as well to tie up the extra wire. And then there's also an instruction book. So let's check out these instructions real quick. So the first thing I want to talk about is the 5 different modes that this pedal controller gives you the option for. So first one out of the gate is race mode. Race mode will really amp up your throttle response. It'll make it almost instant. As soon as you crack that throttle, your car is going to respond very quickly. Okay? The next mode is Sport Plus mode. The Sport Plus mode is geared towards those with spirited type driving styles. It's not quite as intense as the race setting, but it's very snappy, very crisp. The mode that I'm most interested in is the next one, and that is just the Sport mode. Okay, the Sport mode basically gives you the feeling of having an old school type throttle cable design vehicle, where you have a cable that runs to the gas pedal or the throttle pedal, to the throttle body or carburetor on your car or truck. So this setting makes it feel like you have a cable. So it's more like a 1-to-1 ratio. When you press the gas pedal, the car is going to respond. It's going to be very crisp. It's going to be very, very nice feeling of response. It's not going to have any delay to it, but it's not going to be super, super snappy like in the race mode or the Sport Plus mode. Now, another mode is the Eco mode. Now, this may be very, very popular among some of the parents out there that has their kids driving their cars, or if you're just trying to save on fuel. The Eco mode really reduces the throttle response, and you can actually limit the throttle percentage in response down to a smaller value so that basically the car will not accelerate past a certain point. That's really awesome for valet modes, or if you have a teen driver that's getting in your car, you can set that pedal down in the Eco mode and it's going to restrict them quite a bit. That's a really cool feature. And then you can set it to normal mode. Normal mode will pretty much make it feel like your car originally was before you installed the roar pedal. So basically, if you put it on normal mode, it's going to make the car feel just like it did before you installed this device. So you can more or less go right back to the stock feeling if you want, or you can switch back and forth to different modes and adjust them accordingly. Now, the best kicker about this thing is one, it does not void your warranty. So that is awesome. If you have a car, truck that's under warranty and you're going in for service, this thing is plug and play. You can unplug it, remove it from the vehicle, and nobody's the wiser. Very, very easy to install and remove if you need to, but does not affect your warranties. The second thing I want to mention is the price point. And I know you guys are sitting here saying, hey, you're talking this thing up, but how much is it going to set me back? Well, this thing, in my eyes, is priced very, very nice. At $160, you get a very, very good quality device that gets rid of all of that lag, really wakes your car or your truck up, and just makes it drive much, much better. When you hit the gas pedal or you're pressing the gas pedal, the car or truck, it will respond much faster, much smoother. Takes away all of that sloppiness feeling, that delay, and just really wakes up the car. So to me, I give it 2 thumbs up on the price. You know, there is many different pedal controllers out there on the market today, and majority of them is going to set you back around the $300 range. In my eyes, I would never spend $300 on one of these pedal devices because, as most of you guys know, I run custom tunes from a custom tuner. And when you get a custom tune, they can adjust your throttle pedal percentage in that tune. Now, a custom tune will set you back a lot more money than one of these pedal controllers. Normally, custom tunes are going to be in the $400 to $500 range. And that's why I've never opted for one of these pedal devices. In my eyes, you know, $400, $500, $300 on one of these, I would just spend that money and get a tune. But for the guy that don't want to void his warranty, don't want to spend all the money in extra tuning, doesn't want to go that far with his car or truck, just wants it to feel better, drive nicer, and respond much, much better, this is a super smoking deal for $160. You cannot beat it. So if you're in the market for one of these pedal controllers and you're searching back and forth, again, there's plenty of them out there, and I think this one is definitely a great contender. You cannot beat it for the money. It does everything that you need it to do and then some. Definitely go check it out. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram. Check out their website. It's a very, very good company, legit company, and they make quality stuff. So again, guys, I will be installing this pedal controller on my 2015 Dodge Durango. It's my wife's truck, and we're going to try to sneak it on there and put it on the race mode and get her response. But we're going to work on that video this weekend, so we'll get it installed on the Durango. We'll do a review on it. We'll do basically a full install, what it takes to install it. We'll drive the Durango on the different modes and see how it responds. But I feel very confident this is a good product. I've heard good things about it. I know a couple people that has got them and they have told me that they work very, very well. So I have no doubts that this is going to do what I want it to do on our Durango. For all my guys out there with Chargers and Challengers and pretty much everything out there, Mopar trucks, this controller is pretty universal depending on your application. So I had them check out what this controller would actually fit besides my Durango. So most of the Mopars have the same throttle pedal installed in most of the vehicles, or the connector is more or less the same, and the tuning is more or less the same with that pedal design. So this particular pedal will fit my Durango and many, many Chargers and Challengers and Ram trucks. So I know a lot of people out there with Chargers and Challengers and Ram trucks. So I will be putting this on my Durango. I'll be removing it, and I'll also install this thing on some Chargers and Challengers and trucks out there and get other drivers' responses on this device and how they feel about it on their car or truck. So stay tuned. A lot to come with this guy. It's going to be pretty cool and definitely cannot beat it for what it does for $160. So again, if you got a terrible, slouchy, lousy, slow responsive pedal, throttle by wire car or truck, definitely go check out Roar Pedal. Give them a chance, hook it up, and I guarantee you it's going to take that pedal delay out and you're going to love the way that your car or your truck responds. I think that's going to do it for today, guys. As always, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button for the notifications, and we'll see you guys on the next one.